welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you came back. If you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. For today's video, I'll be doing my first impressions on ItsMyRayeRaye's collab with BH Cosmetics, and I'm super excited to show you guys this palette. So if you just want to know what it looks like, just keep watching. Okay, so before I get into this look, I do want to show you guys the palette. I barely just opened it before I filmed this look, so I want to show you guys what the palette looks like. So it comes in this cute little pink and gold packaging, very Ray, I think, if you guys watch her channel. So this is what it looks like. And then you open it up and it's foldable, you guys. So it comes with a mirror, the eyeshadows, the highlights, and contour colors. I will be inserting swatches so you guys can see what the colors look like on me and what the highlighters and the contour shade looks like. So I will be inserting that into this video. I also got the brush set. Shout out to my sister. She got me this palette and the brushes for Christmas. So this is probably like the best Christmas present I got because I wanted it so bad. So as you can see, I still have the brushes in the wrappers because I just opened it, like I said. So this is what the brushes look like. It comes with 9 brushes, I believe. And all the brushes come, they're very clean. They come in these little separate plastic things for each brush. So, and they are also pink and rose gold and have BH Cosmetics on them, and then it also says ItsMyRayeRaye on the brushes, so if you guys can see that. Another thing I want to mention about the palette is how affordable it is. BH Cosmetics is known as being a very affordable brand, and Ray did stick to what she usually says, and the palette and the brushes are super affordable. I'll post the prices in the description box below. Since this was a Christmas gift, I don't remember the price exactly, but I do remember checking it when she first launched it, and it is very affordable. So I will leave all the prices and the details in the description box. Okay, these are what all the brushes look like that I'm holding up right now. And so far, what I can say about the palette is I have nothing but good things to say. This was my first day opening it and using it, so I didn't get to test any of the colors out before I filmed this video. It was very much a first impressions, and I can say the colors are extremely creamy and really pigmented. So I would say definitely be careful when you're dipping your brush in there, because I was even shocked at how pigmented they were. The highlights are beautiful, and I definitely think this is a good palette for anybody to have because you can make a lot of looks with this palette, and it gives you a lot of options. So if you're interested to keep watching to see my look that I created with this palette, just stay tuned. it.